10 Best Foods to Eat for Gut Healing. If you're struggling with bloating, gas, irregular digestion, or food sensitivities, your gut may be crying out for help. And the good news, you can start healing your gut naturally by simply adding the right foods to your diet. No complicated detoxes or extreme diets needed. Here are the 10 best gut healing foods, backed by science and trusted by experts from places like Harvard and the National Institutes of Health. 1. Bone broth. Rich in collagen, gelatin, and amino acids, bone broth helps repair the gut lining and reduce inflammation. According to a study published by the National Library of Medicine, glutamine in bone broth supports gut barrier function and reduces leaky gut symptoms. 2. Plain Greek yogurt, a powerful source of probiotics, especially lactobacillus strains that help restore balance to the gut microbiome. Tip: choose plain, unsweetened varieties with live active cultures. 3. Sauerkraut and kimchi. These fermented veggies are full of natural probiotics and enzymes that support digestion. As reported in the PBS documentary, The Gut Our Second Brain, traditional fermented foods play a key role in gut health. 4. Oats loaded with soluble fiber and prebiotics. Oats feed your good bacteria and keep your digestion regular. A Harvard Health study found that daily fiber intake from oats helps reduce inflammation in the gut and improves overall microbiome health. 5. Garlic and onions. These are natural prebiotics, feeding the beneficial bacteria already living in your gut. According to the prebiotic compounds, like inulin, found in garlic and onions, improve mineral absorption and immune function. 6. Bananas. Easy to digest and rich in resistant starch. Bananas help soothe the digestive tract and support healthy bowel movements, especially helpful for people over 50 dealing with constipation or irregular digestion. 7. Chia seeds, high in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds create a gel-like texture that supports digestion and feeds beneficial microbes. The Journal of Food Science and Technology supports chia as a prebiotic food that promotes a healthy gut environment. 8. Miso soup. Made from fermented soybeans, miso contains powerful probiotics and antioxidants that help soothe inflammation and balance gut bacteria. Just 1 cup a day can make a difference, but go easy on the sodium. 9. Blueberries. Packed with polyphenols and antioxidants, blueberries reduce inflammation in the gut and support the growth of healthy bacteria. Like Harvard researchers link blueberries to better metabolic and gut health, especially in older adults. 10. Ginger au natural, anti-inflammatory, that helps stimulate digestion and ease nausea, bloating, and gas. The University of Maryland Medical Center highlights ginger's role in supporting motility and reducing digestive discomfort. Final thoughts: you don't need a complicated gut reset. These 10 foods can help heal your gut from the inside out. Naturally, just start by adding 1 or 2 to your meals each day. Your gut will thank you, and so will your energy, skin, and mood. Want more natural solutions like this? Be sure to subscribe to Fit, Fed and 50, your go-to YouTube channel for wellness tips, natural health advice, and simple routines for thriving after 50. Whether you're healing your gut, strengthening your legs, or supporting your heart, we've got science-backed advice that actually works. Tap that subscribe button and join our healthy aging community today.